Yes. Come on, I need more action. Come on, I need you to get into that.
Yes.
There you go. You want it? You love it? Love it. Kiss it. Hug it.
What's up, Loc Stars? Today we're going to get into one of my favorite clients' lock installation. She's just hands down the best. It's always great vibes. It's always good conversation when she comes in. She initially came in for these lock extensions over a year ago, which I handmade from scratch as well. These are about a medium size, I believe about a 60 count. And we did the install. Everything's great. There are no issues with the extensions. It's just a matter of her wanting to switch it up to the Goddess Locs. So first I'm getting started by removing the lock extensions that were installed. Now the removal process is pretty tricky because it's hard to detect where the extensions were attached compared to where the natural locks have grown out. Now it's only because I installed these locks that I know where the attachment point is, because even I was just like, oh my gosh, this is such a perfect blend. But the key is the attachment point being crocheted into the hair feels a little bit tighter and harder than the natural lock itself. So that's usually an indicator. But as you can see, her natural hair blended so well into the extensions as far as the size, the texture, everything. She could have left these in for years and no one would have been able to tell. There would have been no need to even cut them out. I'm just about done with the lock extension removal and it's about time to go ahead and replace them with the new lock extensions. There are many different tips on how to install on existing locks. However, the key for me is attaching into the tips of the locks and sometimes even combing out a little piece of the hair so that it can have a smoother transition into the lock extensions. Another key with installing lock extensions on existing locks is making sure the lock extensions match all the size variations of the natural locks. So here we are, everything's fully installed. The previous locks have been removed. She's going to go ahead and keep those for her memories. And this is the new set. She opted for no retwist. She just wants to have that natural, organic look. But I just love the curl and the texture, the pattern, and everything, how it all blends in. Thanks for tuning in to Alicia's Lock Journey. Visit Maconstyles.com to book your lock journey today.
It feels delicioso.
Awesome. It looks really cute.